So, Kelly and I just finished eating at Nana's Ice Cream Barn and Grill. I've wanted to eat at this place since February when I found out that it existed. So I had a burger and fries. Kelly had a burger and fries as well. So this is Nana's.
There's Nana's barn. And then
It's quite beautiful here. I'm in love with it. We already went to Pennsboro. We got to give Roy his grocery inserts. We're gonna go to Harrisville to talk to Linda. I'm gonna go to the Pizza House to give them some placemats, and then our bad. And so then we're going to go to Caro to give Freed's Diner some placemats as well, and then we're gonna go on our way home. So it's been a pretty productive trip. It's a beautiful day. So we're off to get some ice cream. Have a great day, guys.
bye.